Hello everyone, Ed here, just doing a outdoor update on my plants, my palm trees. This is the smallest tree, or smallest palm tree that I just transplanted the other day. This is a Livistona palm. Got some of the flowers on the bottom. Looking good. Right here is a strawberry plant that I need to transplant very soon. Sable Minor right here. Actually have that for sale. Them two little ones I have for sale. My medium-sized Livistona palm. Transplanted this about a month ago. It's looking real good. Some more strawberry plants. But I think the squirrels are eating the strawberries. That's why you don't see any on there. Cardboard sago palm. It's got some new fronds coming out from the center of the trunk, as you can see. That's the female one. Here's the male cardboard sago. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 new fronds that came out just recently. Here's the oldest of the Livistona palms. These are the ones my daughter gave me years ago. They're looking really good. Here's a staghorn fern. I need to transplant that. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I need to transplant this because the hanging plant, or the hanging basket has broken. So I'm going to have to get a new container to put in it. These are beach hibiscus. When they get tall, they'll grow big white bell-shaped flowers. I get them from the beach. They're wild, they're native around here in Delaware. Here's some cactus. Nice white stones in the container. My podocarpus bush. It'll be blooming some pretty flowers real soon. And let me go around here. My yucca plants, I got these from the beach. They're native here in Delaware. More strawberry plants with some flowers in the center. And here's my baby. I had this tree since it was a very small seedling years ago. This is my Japanese red maple tree. Them beautiful leaves. That nice. Love the red color. It's got a nice shape to it as well. I like the weeping effect on it. I'll take you over here. Here's my other yuccas. Actually have a maple tree growing in there. I'm going to have to dig it out and plant it somewhere in the yard. And here's some more yucca plants. I got them from the beach as well. So this is just a short video of my plants. Just doing an update. Last time I showed you this red maple tree, the leaves were just starting to come out and everything, but now they're fully out, and you can see how nice looking it is. Alright, this is Ed. Hope you enjoyed this little outdoor nature video of my plants. Everybody have a great day. God bless you all. Later, people.